What is up, guys? We've got a new video for you today. It's the start of a new week. And I have no clue what we have planned. I know Phil should be getting his new lock cylinder in at some point, hopefully this week. And I know they are finishing up the vinyl rack on the I know they are finishing up the vinyl vinyl wrap on the ZX6R. So we should be able to get that out this week. What else? I've got a new shadow profile because I put a matching blue mohawk on my helmet today. Well, not today, yesterday. So it's pretty close to the color of the bike. But yeah, I've got a new shadow profile. I just want something where people can look, oh my goodness, and you know, kind of immediately recognize me. That dork with the blue mohawk is that's Ride with Seraph. I bumped my mirror, and now I'm gonna spend like the next 3 days fixing it and then bump it again.
3 hours later.
Head over to the cycle gear and see if we can find the axle tool. I reserved one online. I'm not sure if it actually reserved. I know it takes like 2 hours for a reserve to go through or something, so I don't know. We're just gonna see. We're gonna see what they have in stock over there. This wrap is gorgeous. I love it. Park over here, but I don't want to block anybody in. I like that one. That's pretty. Hey, how you guys doing today? I'm looking for an axle tool. Yeah, I did. I tried to. I don't know if it went through.
How did I not know that was you?
What?
I saw it. We reserved it.
Okay. There's no rush. Like,
Okay.
you guys do your thing.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so we got what we need. And I guess the next thing to do is to sync up with Phil and see if we can get this installed. Adventure is out there.
Adventure is out there!
Can I hang out with you guys?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're cool like that. Of course you can. Geek out.
Cool. There we go. All right, go ahead and let her down. There we go. Now we're clearing and we're teetering. Wow!
And she's out.
Shout out to Muscles. You're a good girl, aren't you? Okay.
All that was this. I'm gonna cry. Okay. Now we get to put it back on.
You don't want to do your thing and then... Okay.
Yeah,
I can ride this thing without that.
It's true.
It's gonna take her a little while to get it wrapped.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Hello. Can I put, I don't know, $10 on pump number 4? You know, I really like hanging out with Phil and Felicia and just kind of zoning out, doing bike stuff. I'm all about it. And probably build a small group, small following, and kind of do our thing. I want to get their bikes up and running as soon as we can. And I'm trying to just get a good size group of chill people just to ride with.
2 days later.
And my visor is just covered in bugs right now. Having a hard time remembering what I had for dinner. Even worse, remembering if I ate dinner last night. What are those, telephone poles? So that is some sort of drainage for our zoo, and this road loops around behind the back side of the zoo. So right now I'm heading south, and then depending on what road this is, oh, nice smooth roads again. Thanks, man. Excuse me. Excuse me. Good morning. You guys are super busy today.
It's gonna be $2.89 if you want. You need a receipt?
Nah, we're good. I appreciate it. Have a good day. Those energy drinks are low carb. I like them. They're flavorful, and they have a lot of tropical flavor.
Next morning. 598 frozen patties later.
All right, Luke, this one's on you. If I'm blocking, I can go. You sure?
First come, first serve, right?
Oh, no, it's not even like that. I want to get one more and then I'm out. I'm not even supposed to be up here. Thank you. My buddy and I, we play a game of tag and we find murals around town, post them on TikTok, and I'm like, you're up, man. So he posted this one. I'm like, where the heck is that? Yep. So, thank you. Thanks. I better get gas somewhere. I can come up here.